Welcome to this overview of the Micron 2100 AI and 2100 AT solid-state drives with capacities up to 1 terabyte for automotive and industrial applications. Combining the benefits of a low-latency PCI Express non-volatile Memory Express interface with the density of triple-level cell 3D NAND technology, these drives are ideal for storing dynamic data. For maximum flexibility, they can optionally switch to a single-level cell mode for applications with significant amounts of static data. Advanced NVMe features such as support for mixed namespace configurations improve performance, reliability, and durability. These solid-state drives can withstand extreme environments and operate over extended automotive and industrial temperature ranges. For industrial applications, 2100 AI devices operate from -40 to +95 degrees Celsius. For automotive applications, the 2100 AT devices operate from -40 to +105 degrees Celsius. And because solid-state drives have no moving parts, they can withstand the severe levels of shock and vibration found in automotive and industrial environments. Hardware-based encryption plus secure firmware download and cryptographic ease features provide robust data security. The solid-state drives deliver significantly faster boot, file, and application load times compared to traditional hard drives while consuming considerably less power. They also offer data path and power loss protection to safeguard user data. Automotive versions of these solid-state drives excel in infotainment, navigation, and advanced driver assistance systems, while industrial versions are ideal for factory automation, robotics, transportation, medical, retail, networking, and video surveillance applications. For more information on these solid-state drives and on how Micron is transforming the way the world uses information, visit avnet.com/Micron Transportation 2023.